Welcome back to the Neuro Finance Masterclass. Today, on day 122, we audit the literal fuel tanks of the order book. I'm Ibrahim, and my co-hosts and I are absolutely pumped to be kicking off Phase 2 with you today. We're diving deep into volume price integration and, honestly, one of the most powerful concepts in the market, the OBV whale tracking engine. You heard them. We're auditing the fuel tank, tracking down those massive whale footprints, and learning how to actually rule the cycle. Look, if we're going to step out of those reactive retail habits and upgrade to institutional logic, we absolutely have to look at the one metric that literally cannot lie to you. Which brings us right into Section 1, the ultimate truth serum. Let's talk about volume versus price. So to really understand how smart money operates, we first have to recognize the single biggest flaw in how most amateurs view the market. They treat price as the ultimate truth. But guys, price is just the steering wheel of a car. It shows you direction, sure, but it can be manipulated so easily.
Spot on. Volume, on the other hand, that's the gasoline. It's a literal truth serum. You can spin that steering wheel all day long, but without any gas, you're not going anywhere. Price action is fundamentally meaningless without the underlying volume to back up the move.
And man, this is where the real pain point lives, right? We have all experienced the absolute frustration of stop-loss hunting. In low liquidity hours or in easily manipulated crypto markets, market makers can just push the price around with really small orders. They sweep the board just to steal your position.
It's brutal. But here is the empowering reality we want you to take away today. While price is super easy to manipulate when liquidity is low, raw volume simply cannot be faked. When multi-million-dollar institutional orders hit the market, there's no hiding. They leave massive, unmistakable spikes right there in the ledger.
So, let's establish a fundamental, unbreakable rule for our masterclass today. Volume is the definitive proof of true capital either entering or exiting a market. High volume? That confirms institutional commitment. It means the big players are locking in for sure. And what about low volume? Well, that's just retail drift. Or worse, it's a market maker trap designed specifically to steal your liquidity right before reversal. Bottom line, if the volume isn't there, the move just isn't real. All right, moving right along to Section 2, decoding on-balance volume. Once you accept that volume is the undeniable truth, you're going to need a mathematical solution to actually track it. Enter on-balance volume, or OBV. Developed by Joseph Granville, this is our ultimate tracking engine. It's basically a cumulative momentum indicator that mathematically connects volume to price change. It takes all that raw, unstructured daily volume data and transforms it into a precise, crystal-clear gauge of institutional intent. And the sheer beauty of this running total is just how simple and binary the math is. It operates purely based on the daily close. If today's closing price ends up higher than yesterday's close, the entire day's volume is considered up volume and it gets added to the OBV total.
Yep. And conversely, if today's closing price is lower than yesterday's, the entire day's volume is down volume and gets subtracted from the total. It really is that straightforward. Absolutely no gray area here.
By simply identifying the close direction and then adding or subtracting the volume, this little formula builds a continuous, unforgiving ledger. This running total, it doesn't care about your emotions, it doesn't care about the doom-scrolling news cycle, and it definitely doesn't care about those superficial price wicks.
Exactly. It just quietly records the footprints of institutional capital day in and day out. It builds this perfectly clear picture of whether real money is flowing into the asset or if it's just quietly bleeding out.
Now for the fun part, Section 3, spotting whale accumulation divergences. This is exactly where we start tracking what we called Bellina Isleri, the whale footprints. Because understanding OBV conceptually is great, but applying it to actively hunt whales before the price action even catches up, that is how you gain a massive unfair advantage.
We are looking for an accumulation divergence. This specific anomaly happens when price consolidates sideways, or drops. Fiat yataiken wea dusherken, but the OBV line just shoots sharply upward. That divergence means the smart money is out there literally vacuuming the floor.
Let's paint a really vivid contrast here. Picture the raw price action for a second. The asset is just grinding down in this depressing, boring, sideways consolidation. The retail crowd is totally panicking, doom scrolling on their feeds, right?
Oh, for sure. But beneath that depressing chart, The OBV engine is skyrocketing. The whales are aggressively buying up all that panicked retail supply, basically getting ready to buy their next yacht entirely without moving the actual market price tag.
The absolutely crucial takeaway here is this. The price drop is completely artificial, but the capital commitment is incredibly real.
Right. Whales intentionally use this artificial price suppression. They want to force retail traders to just hand over their assets on the cheap. But because they have to buy in such massive quantities, they simply cannot hide their tracks in the volume ledger. The OBV line exposes the whole operation in plain sight.
Mathematically speaking, this anomaly means that on green days, the volume is massive. We're talking heavy, aggressive institutional buying. But on red days, the volume is tiny, just light, insignificant retail selling. The net result is this skyrocketing OBV line despite a flat or dropping price.
And when you spot this anomaly, that is your definitive cue to load up your dollar cost averaging machine. It literally means the launch pad is being built right under your feet.
All right, bringing it all together in Section 4, the liquidity audit. It's time to audit the fuel tank.
We've covered the strategy, so now I am calling on the architect within every single one of you watching. It's time to stop guessing and start measuring the literal fuel in the tanks of your own portfolio.
Ibrahim?
So here is your exact step-by-step liquidity audit homework. Step 1, open up your charting software, like TradingView. Step 2, add the on-balance volume indicator beneath a core crypto asset or equity holding on the daily time frame. And step 3, analyze the last 6 months of accumulation. Don't even look at the price first. Just look at the volume accumulation.
As you do this, you're looking for specific checkpoints. First is the OBV tracking symmetrically with the price.
If it is, great. The trend is healthy and confirmed.
Okay, but what if the OBV is breaking out ahead of the price?
Boom! You have just found a whale accumulation divergence. A major upward move is very likely being prepped.
And on the flip side, what if the OBV is collapsing downwards while the price stays artificially high?
Yeah, that's a massive red flag. It means smart money is quietly distributing their bags and exiting right before a potential crash.
You absolutely must permanently shift your perspective. Train your mind to view volume as the physical footprint of institutional capital. So the big question is, are you going to keep trading superficial price breaks? Or are you finally ready to trace the whale footprints and truly rule the cycle?
The tools are literally right there in your hands. The order book is waiting. Trust the volume, guys.
Beautifully said. We will see you all in the next session of the masterclass.